Hello, today we will show you how to use the safety lock. First, this is the straight lock, and as you can see, there are two double-faced adhesive tape on the back, and one side is adjustable. Now, we use the double door cabinet as an example. First, remember to clean the surface. Then, adjust the length of the strip and peel off the cover on the double-faced adhesive tape. And stick it on the door. After that, we suggest you waiting for 24 hours so the tape can be stuck firmly. And now the straight lock is working, and the door could not be opened unless you remove the little blue cap and pull out the strip. Now we teach you how to use the magnetic safety lock on double door cabinet. As you see, this is the main body of the lock. And this is the magnet. The magnetic cap is removable. And this is the base. The magnet can control the bulge on the lock. The base also can lock on the bulge. Now, clean the surface on the door. As you can see, the main body of the lock will be stick on the door, and the base will be stick in the top of the cabinet. Put the base on the top of the lock. Make sure the base is aligned with the top of the door. Peel off the cover on the lock and stick it back. Peel off the cover on the base. Put it back on the lock and keep closing the door. When the door is closed firmly, stick the base in the top of the cabinet. The lock is being installed successfully now. Only the magnet can open it. And you can see, both doors can be locked by this lock. But if you only have a single door cabinet, installation method will be a little different. What you need is a ruler and a pencil. For demonstration purpose, we will use a vernier caliper. Decide and mark the position you want to install the lock. Use the pencil to mark both the door and the top cover of the cabinet. Use the same method to draw extension cord and keep vertical as far as possible. The thickness of the base is about 11 mm. So, there should be some margin for installing the lock. Drawing a guard line which comes to 11 mm to the top of the door. Measure the thickness of the door. It's about 19 mm. And there also should be leaf margin for installing the base. Use the same method to draw a guard line in the top of the cabinet. After this, we can install the lock. Now, put down the hook. Peel off the cover and stick it. Please remember the top of the lock should be aligned with or little higher than the guard line. Peel off the cover on the base. The end of the thick should point to the outside. Align the end of the thick with the guard line and stick it. The lock is working now and only can be opened by the magnet key. If you do not want to use the lock anymore, put up the hook. The bolt will be pressed down. Thanks for watching and wish you have a good day.